Are you ready to unlock the secrets to successful potty training? Look no further. Today I will give you some essential tips and tricks to make this journey smooth and enjoyable for both you and your toddler. Potty training is a challenging task for many parents. It can be frustrating and exhausting, but it doesn't have to be. With the right information and preparation, you can make potty training a positive experience for both you and your toddler. In this video, we will share 5 essential tips that will help you master potty training in no time. Let's get started. 1. Choose the right time to start potty training. It's important to wait until your child is physically and emotionally ready to start potty training. Signs that your child is ready include being able to walk to the potty by themselves, having regular bowel movements, and showing an interest in the potty or underwear. The best time to start potty training is when you have the time and patience to commit to it. It's crucial not to rush the process as it can make it more difficult for your child and lead to setbacks. It's also crucial to dress your child in easy-to-remove clothing. Choose clothes with elastic waistbands or simple fasteners like Velcro. This will prevent any wardrobe malfunctions during potty training. 2. Make potty training fun and rewarding. Potty training should be a positive experience for your child. To make it more enjoyable, you can make it fun by using positive language, praise, and rewards. A simple sticker chart can be a great motivator, especially for children who are highly visual. When your child completes a task, place a sticker on the chart. As the stickers accumulate, your child will feel a sense of accomplishment and eagerly anticipate the next one. Enjoy fun and engaging potty songs, just like the ones on our YouTube channel. 3. It's important to be patient and consistent with your child and not get frustrated if they have accidents or don't get it right away. Potty training takes time and consistency. Stay calm and positive and continue to reinforce the desired behaviors. Consistency is also key when it comes to potty training. Set regular times to go to the potty and stick to a routine. This will help your child's body get used to the rhythm and make potty training more effective. 4. Don't use punishment or shame. Punishment or shame is never an effective way to motivate your child. Accidents are a normal part of the potty training process. If they have an accident, stay calm and help them clean up without making a fuss. Then, without making a fuss, redirect their attention to the potty. It's also important to never scold or punish your child for not being potty trained. This can create negative associations with the potty and make the training process even more challenging. Focus on progress, not perfection. 5. Consider professional help if needed. If you're struggling to potty train your child, don't hesitate to seek professional help. A pediatrician or child psychologist can help identify any underlying issues and provide additional support and resources. They can also offer guidance and advice tailored to your child's specific needs, which can be invaluable when potty training. Remember, parents, each child is unique and the potty training journey may be different for everyone. Be patient, stay positive, and celebrate every milestone along the way. With these essential tips in your toolkit, you and your toddler are well on your way to successful potty training. Happy potting! Subscribe to our channel for more toddler-friendly learning.